Hey folks, Scott Walters here. Welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage with a quick task today. All right, we're replacing the rear wiper blade on my daily driver, a 2020 GMC Yukon Denali. The task is the same for a 2015 to a 2020 Yukon, Tahoe, or Cadillac Escalade. So let's get started. Step number one, pop the rear glass. You won't be able to access the wiper blade without doing that. All right, here it is right here. And here's why I'm replacing it. You can see right here, it's coming apart. This is the original wiper blade, so it's lasted me, about 5 years at this point. All right, and it's easy from here. So you just lift up the wiper, you take your screwdriver, and there's a tab right here. All right, so you want to go ahead and lift the tab up and press your wiper blade back. All right, and it pops right off. All right, there's your tab right there, and you just need to press up on it. All right, looking at it from the side, it's this guy right here. All right, do yourself a favor, go ahead and clean this off. All that grime is going to get on your wiper blade, and then your wiper blade is going to go across your back glass and it's going to scratch it. Okay? All right, here's the replacement. This one is AC Delco. You can see the part number here. Okay, when you're replacing it, so you get sort of the open end here and the rounded end here. All right, so the rounded end is going to go right in there like so, and then you're going to push it to the left or towards the driver's side until it clicks into place. Good to go. Okay, so that's an easy day. But before I sign off, I got one request for y'all, okay? Poke around on the channel a little bit, the Bulletproof Garage. I've got 50 some odd videos up right now, and I've got everything. We're building a vintage road racer on a budget. I've got heavy equipment content. I've got some crew cab diesel dually content, some vintage 4x4 content. So poke around some. I guarantee that you will find something else on the channel that you like. And we'll see you next time on the Bulletproof Garage.